Hello again, this is Christina, and today we're going to be making a homemade mask using oranges. Let's check it out. Okay, so first step is of course the orange. What we're going to do here is juice it. And what I do with that is simply roll the orange first on a flat surface. This helps to loosen up the juices, so it's easier to actually expel. We're going to cut it up in half and use half of the orange to get that juice out of it. If you get a few seeds, no worries, just take your spoon and get them out of there. Okay, so next what we're going to be using is some yogurt. This is plain yogurt I picked up from the grocery store. I'm going to use about half of a cup of yogurt. Now yogurt has a wonderful lactic acid property to it, so it's going to hydrate the skin, protect it, and nourish it. And the vitamin C in the orange is going to brighten and tighten our skin. So what we're going to do is simply mix the two ingredients together until it forms a nice paste. So now that we've combined all of our ingredients, what we're going to do is place this on freshly cleaned skin for about 5 to 10 minutes, making sure that we cover the entire face, avoiding the eye and face area, of course. Rinse with a warm washcloth and you're set to go.